बॉम्बे से better modeling is in Delhi. अब थोड़ा better हो गया होगा बॉम्बे में, but there was a time when all the brands, Jabong, Myntra, everybody was in Delhi.
Talking about modeling, it is safe for girls but very risky for men. How did you deal with it?
तो क्या होता है ना हर्षिता, जब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है तो आपको किसी को मना करने में डर भी नहीं लगता. तो अपने आप को बेच के सो के मैं कभी I can't next day I can't wake up and look at myself in the mirror and say what have I done.
मैंने आपकी एक सीरीज देखी थी. It was called आश्चर्यचकित.
Yes, it's on Netflix.
So I want to ask you, like, how do you balance, doing these kind of scenes?
Yeah, as an actor you just have to get into the character. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि as a normal human being and as a character I'm two different people altogether. शाहरुख ने या फरहाद खान ने कहा है कि काम को कभी मना नहीं करना.
हाय गाइस, मैं हूँ हर्षिता और आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ एक और नया एपिसोड 4 PM बॉलीवुड न्यूज़ पे. आज मैं आपको ऐसे एक अभिनेता से मिलाने वाली हूँ जो कि एक स्मॉल टाउन जबलपुर से आके बॉम्बे में अपना नाम बनाया है. रैंप से लेके बड़े स्क्रीन तक का सफ़र भी एक तय किया है. सो वेलकमिंग ऑन द शो अंकित राज. हाय अंकित, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good too. That laugh on like small town जब मैंने कहा ऐसे कुछ आपके दिमाग में था तभी जब मैंने बोला.
नहीं whenever somebody says small town तो मुझे अपनी जबलपुर का पूरा एक चैप्टर याद आ जाता है, my schooling and everything. So it always brings a smile to my face and the struggles and hardship which I've gone through in the small town. But yeah, it feels good to be here talking to you. My first podcast. So it's going to be interesting for me.
First times हमेशा लोगों को याद रहते हैं.
हाँ,
so hopefully
actually.
ये भी एक आपका अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस आपको याद रहे.
Let's see how it goes.
Okay, बात करते हैं जबलपुर नॉस्टैल्जिया की. तो जो एक थॉट होता है कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है या मुझे मॉडल बनना है, थॉट तो हर दूसरे इंसान में आता है, बट एक्चुअली वॉकिंग एंड वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, वो आपका कब से शुरू हुआ?
So I'll honestly all my answers will be very honest. हाँ, तो कुछ बुरे भी लग सकते हैं. So when I was in 10th, I was a very skinny guy. I was very skinny, very tan because I used to play a lot of basketball. I've played state level basketball. I was a cricket player. So I was tanned, एकदम वो पतला दुबला, वो पतला सा लंबा सा लड़का नहीं होता जो सबसे आखिरी बेंच पे बैठता है. So I always used to be that. So when I was in 10th, वो वाले फोटो वाले कैमरे होते थे, कोडाक जो रील वाले होते हैं. सो आई वॉज एट अ फ्रेंड्स प्लेस, उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी थी तो उसकी पिक्चर्स आई. एंड देन वन ऑफ दीज फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माई, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हर नेम, सृष्टि धोपे. शी सॉ द पिक्चर्स, हर मदर सॉ द पिक्चर्स एंड शी जस्ट रैंडमली टोल्ड मी, यार यू गॉट वेरी फोटोजेनिक फेस, तेरी सारी पिक्चर्स बहुत अच्छी आती है, व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई मॉडलिंग. जबलपुर जैसी सिटी में मॉडलिंग सोचना भी इट्स लाइक अ वेरी एलियन थिंग टू बी. सो दैट was the first time when I thought about modeling, and then I started following John Abraham, and मैंने किसी को बोलता भी था, जॉन अबे कौन है ये? You know how MP is, we have our own slang and stuff. So that's how the journey of shifting towards modeling from my studies and education started from 10th.
Okay, तो कब लगा कि अब छोड़ छाड़ के बॉम्बे आना है, and any driving force to leave everything and come to a new city?
So Harshita, honestly ना मुझे अंदर से पहले से ही पता था कि I am not born to be in a small town. I always had these dreams of being in a big town, do something big and stuff. So honestly मैं 12th का मेरा रिजल्ट भी नहीं आया था, 12th बोर्ड्स का, और मैं दिल्ली आ गया था.
Oh.
हाँ, so because my mama ji used to stay there, so my parents allowed me, because my dad was paralyzed, things were not good at my place, so I was allowed to go to Delhi, start my college and just see how it goes and stuff, because जब कुछ होने के लिए नहीं होता तो आपके पास पूरा समंदर होता है पाने के.
Right.
तो my parents said कि my mom gave me 350 rupees, that is exactly the ticket fees to come back to Jabalpur from Delhi. गरीब रथ एक ट्रेन होती है जो जबलपुर से दिल्ली चलती है. सो आई वॉज गिविंग दैट मनी एंड माई मॉम सेड कुछ नहीं होगा तो घर आ जाना, यहाँ खाने को तो मिल जाएगा एटलीस्ट. सो आई गॉट दैट मनी, आई शिफ्टेड टू दिल्ली, स्टार्टेड वर्किंग इन रिक्रूटमेंट कंपनी. मेरे मामा जी की कंपनी थी, यूज्ड टू पे मी 4,000. तो मैं सुबह 6 से 8 जिम करता था, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी न्यू कि मेरे को मॉडलिंग करनी, मॉडलिंग के लिए बॉडी ज़रूरी है. सो आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट 6 to 8, 9 to 5 आई यूज्ड टू डू वर्क फॉर माई मामा जी, वेयर आई वॉज पेड 4,000, एंड इवनिंग आई यूज्ड टू गो टू कॉलेज. I got admission after my results came in. I scored 86%, which was very good for 12th.
Yeah.
And I got PGDAV, so I took evening batch, so that मैं सुबह job कर पाऊँ और evening में मैं college कर पाऊँ. So that is how the whole shift from a small town to a metro city started. Yeah.
And दिल्ली से मुंबई, so दिल्ली में you started getting modeling assignments कि वो फिर
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, ये भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. तो वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड शी वॉज अ फोटोग्राफर. उसकी हॉबी थी, कॉलेज में होते हैं ना फ्रेंड्स की हॉबी होती है, तो मेरे को भी था. बॉडी बना रही थी मैंने, तो पीपल यूज्ड टू बी लाइक यार मॉडलिंग कर, एंकरिंग कर, ये सब चीज़ें क्यों नहीं करता, लाइक पिक्चर्स नहीं है. तो उसकी छत की टंकी में हम लोग ने फोटोज खींची. एंड देयर यूज्ड टू बी ऑर्कुट, इफ यू रिमेंबर.
ऑफ कोर्स आई रिमेंबर.
ऑर्कुट पे मैंने अपनी फोटो अपलोड करी, एंड अ लंडन बेस्ड डिजाइनर राजवीर सॉ दोस फोटोज, like that DP, and I got a scrap. उस time पे scrap होता था. Our team want to contact you, and this is like I'm working in a call center. मेरी job चल रही है. I'm in my second year of college, and I get a scrap. Contact this number, and I called कि हाँ who's this? So this guy कि we are talking from Rajveer's team, and we've liked your photo. We want to take you as a model, but we can't pay you anything. And you're a second model. तो अगर आपकी पिक्चर्स अच्छी लगी, बिकॉज ऑर्कुड पे कितना ही समझ में आता होगा उनको, तो आई ऑल्सो डोंट ब्लेम देम, एंड इट वाज अ फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी. तो आई वाज लाइक या श्योर, आई वुड लव टू डू इट. फ्रेंड्स कॉलोनी में दे हैड दिस शूट, एंड आशीष चावला वाज शूटिंग, हु इज अ वेरी बिग फैशन फोटोग्राफर, एंड देयर वाज दिस इंटरनेशनल मॉडल हु वाज द फर्स्ट मॉडल. आई वाज लाइक द सेकंड मॉडल. So I went, Rajvi, the designer, she saw me and she's like, you got such a nice height and stuff. Why don't you try ramps? Ma'am, I'm 19. I don't know anything about it. I'm like just in college and working in a call center. So no. Let's see how the shoot goes and then we'll decide. So Ashi said, just make him wear something and we'll click few pictures. He clicked cut. And I gave very good. It was a vampire theme and stuff, and I had to smoke, had a cigarette, and I had to look like this, eyebrows turn, and like a wicked look.
Got it.
And he saw the pictures on his monitor, and he's like, replace the model, we'll shoot with Ankit the whole shoot.
Oh wow!
So that's how I got my first big shoot. And Rajvi liked my height and personality. She was like, I'll make you walk the ramp. I'll pay you $5,000. So I was like, 4,000 की नौकरी है.
9 से 5 कहाँ, 2 घंटे में 5,000.
This is so very good. And here I'm making 4,000 working 30 days.
Exactly.
ये एक महीना ऐसा होता है क्या? So she called the team, और उस टाइम पे Wills Fashion Week होता था. अब तो Wills और Lat में merge हो गए. उस टाइम पे Wills होता था. So she said, she called the backstage manager that I'm replacing this model from Ankit. He'll be walking the ramp for me. So it was a blessing for me. And I got this ramp. I went for fittings. You know how fittings and all happen.
Of course.
I went for fittings. Other 2 designers saw me and they were like, you're a good looking model. Why don't you walk for us? We'll pay you 5,000. I was like, 3 designers, 555, 15,000.
Wow.
And this was a dream for every model.
That point of time.
And I was shortlisted during that time. I was shortlisted for Gladrags as well.
Oh wow.
So Gladrags top 50, 60 I was in, and I got Wills. So I was like, oh dude, I've got Wills, and I started asking people who were my friends around who are into modeling and stuff. So they were like, dude, after Gladrags Wills ही करते हैं लोग. तो तेरे को जब Wills मिल रहा है तो तू Gladrags में क्यों जाना था? And the fees was 70,000. I was like, 70,000 भी लाना बहुत बड़ी बात है ना, कहाँ से लेके आऊँगा? Because I don't have savings. जितना पैसा आता था पापा के ऑपरेशन और सब चीज़ों के लिए, I used to send home. I used to keep a little money for myself. And college की fees, going from Faridabad to college in bus and stuff. तो उस चीज़ों के लिए I used to keep money. And here I got this opportunity. Luckily, 4th day, Wills की जो मेरी फोटो क्लिक हुई थी वो कवर पेज पे आ गई. Out of 2,000 pictures, my photo got selected for the cover page of Wills Fashion Week. And like my first fashion week, I'm giving autograph to people, like जो girls host कर रही होती हैं, sir autograph, and then that is how it started. Then I stopped working in call center and my modeling journey started. And then there was no looking back.
And then you shifted to Mumbai.
No. अभी तो दिल्ली की जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई है. I'm just 19. अभी I'll just turn 20. This was March somewhere, and I told my uncle that I can't work anymore. I'm getting a modeling assignment and stuff. So he's like, leave the house then. You were here because you were working for us. If you don't work for us, then you have to look for your own path. Yeah. So then I shifted somewhere near my college, got a small flat for, I still remember, $2,000. वो बिल्डिंग के ऊपर एक ऐसा टपरा सा नहीं होता where people stay. वो दिल्ली में टिन की छत होती है and like a small cooler और एक बेड. तो and दिल्ली की गर्मी यार. So I still remember there were days जब मैं चद्दर गीली करके कि बहुत गर्मी है, I used to like उसको वो ओढ़ के सोता था कि गर्मी ना लगे. फिर टिन गर्म हो जाता है. But that time also I never was like very sad or depressed in life because I came from nothing. तो सुबह उठ के मेरे घर से सामने लोटस टेम्पल दिखता था बिकॉज मैं एकदम हाइट पे रहता था छत पे. और छत में बाहर वॉशरूम था. तो और कैसा होता है कि एक रूम है, बाहर 2 वॉशरूम है and then there is the wash basin is outside where you have to brush your teeth.
Okay, got
So
it.
I still remember brushing my teeth, looking over Lotus Temple and feeling, wow, what a life. Where I started from, now I'm at least here.
Right.
And then Men's Fashion Week happened. I went for the audition. I was in top 8. Then I became a FDCI pool model. Then Lakme used to call me. So then the modeling was pretty good. And Bombay se better modeling is in Delhi. अब थोड़ा better हो गया होगा बॉम्बे में, but there was a time when all the brands, Jabong, Myntra, everybody was in Delhi. So I started shooting for them, making money, and that's how the whole modeling cycle started for me.
So talking about modeling, it is safe for girls but very risky for men, especially working with designers. जितना मैंने लोगों से बात किया है, how did you deal with it? Because having that height, body, personality, I'm sure you must have been hit on. How did you draw that line? That पता है, क्योंकि अगर आप साफ साफ भी मना कर देते हो तो एक डर होता है आउटसाइडर के लिए कि ये सबको बोल दिया मुझे बैन कर दे, तो प्यार से मना भी करो बट देन काम भी मिले. इट्स अ वेरी डाइसी सिचुएशन. हाउ डिड यू हैंडल इट?
तो क्या होता है ना हर्षिता, जब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है तो आपको किसी को मना करने में डर भी नहीं लगता. क्योंकि मेरे साथ बहुत क्लियर था फर्स्ट डे से, कुछ नहीं करूंगा तो आई हैव अ पर्सनालिटी, आई कैन टॉक वेल. मेरे मम्मी पापा ने पढ़ाया अच्छा है, मैं कॉल सेंटर में या कहीं भी काम करके आई डू वेल इन माई लाइफ. तो अपने आप को बेच के सो के मैं कभी आई कांट नेक्स्ट डे आई कांट वेक अप एंड लुक एट माई सेल्फ इन द मिरर एंड से व्हाट हैव आई डन. So मेरा inner conscious वो कभी allow नहीं करेगा. So a lot of designers used to hit on me, but and they are very sweet people. If you talk to them, they just want to talk. They just want to talk. And if you're good with your words, दिल्ली में लड़के थोड़े ठेठ हैं, अरे क्या कर रहा है. तो वहाँ के लोगों के साथ लोग, I guess a lot of people have had bad experiences. मैंने जितनों के साथ बात किया and I've told them that I'm straight, I'm not into all this, they have understood. And if they have liked me as a model, और मैं pool, the best thing with me was I was a pool model.
Correct.
तो उनको मुझे लेना ही पड़ेगा even if they don't like me.
Correct.
Because I have a fixed set of designers I have to work for. A और set, दो भी वो होते हैं, set होते हैं. तो A pool का model इन सारे designers के लिए work करेगा, B pool का सारे designers के लिए. And luckily all the female choreographers, backstage managers were female and they used to love me. So that is how my modeling journey was pretty much good. No hiccups as such.
दिल्ली से बॉम्बे कैसे है?
So I used to work for Benetton. I was signed with Benetton for like, I've worked 6-7 seasons with them. So I was modeling still, and somebody got my pictures and they called me कि ऐसे we are auditioning and Sunil Darshan is launching his son and we are looking for a negative lead. We've loved your pictures and मेरी शेरवानी में long hair, उड़ते हुए बाल, you know how they like the pictures and stuff, rough look.
Yes.
So I was like, I checked with my friends again who are in the acting, because now I'm in modeling. I have और मैं इतना दिल्ली लैक में सब चीज़ों के लिए आता था, तो आई हैड बॉम्बे फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. तो मैं बोल यार ऐसे ऐसे मुझे कॉल आया है एंड व्हाट टू डू, आई एम डूइंग शोज हियर. तो दे टेल देम इफ दे गिव यू फ्लाइट टिकट एंड स्टफ, कम, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत लोग उल्लू भी बनाते हैं. तो मैंने बोला हाँ ठीक है. आई टोल्ड देम आई एम बिजी हियर, आई हैव दिस वन डे, इफ यू वांट मी आई विल कम. तो हाँ विल बुक योर टिकट्स. आई वाज लाइक, oh, something genuine is happening. I came, 5 of my friends, we went for the audition. जिनको कॉल वॉल आया हुआ था इन सब. तो I went and I didn't had a house. I went back for my Benetton shows and stuff. 3 days later, I get a call again that we have liked you and we are shooting with you. Next week, we'll start shooting and you will directly come. Sir, I don't have a house in Bombay. So, no problem. We are not even shooting in Bombay. We are shooting in Lavasa. You have a hotel stay and everything here.
Okay, so
and you just directly come to Pune. A car will come and pick you up and we'll just start. I went and that's how the acting journey started. Have a suite, you have a boy and everything. So there was a huge transition from a modeling phase जहाँ पे आप जब बाहर travel करते हो तो you share rooms with other models and everything. Here is directly you get a suite, you get a boy, everything is on the house, you're the main lead. So it's like fun. So it was a very smooth transition.
Yeah, and people come to Bombay, they're paying heavy rent, struggle कर रहे, auditions दे रहे, project फिर मिलता है. This is like already everything is like sorted.
That was like honestly, I guess Sunil sir really liked me. When I gave the look test, I came down. I still remember sir के सारे movie के posters लगे हुए थे. Very sweet. यानी if you have met Sunil sir, you've seen him.
I have, but I know the films. That
Very sweet. He wears a spec and he was sitting. He was like, "Come, beta, sit." I'm like, "Yes sir." तो we've liked your audition, and I'm like, sir, I just gave the look test. Well, that's all formality. We loved your look and everything. You're doing the movie. Production will call you for the money and stuff. So and very good production house to work with. Big budget film. We were in Lavasa, then we went to Thailand for 40 days. So it was like a 117-day schedule. And I had no idea इतना बड़ा movie का setup होता है. So, but it was very nice. It was a very good experience. The movie didn't work out, but for good experience.
At least for you, it was like a start.
Yeah, it was a start because I had no idea about acting. I have faced the camera, like मैंने ads किए हुए थे, but that moving camera was like a first experience for me. And getting that job without doing anything, without any workshop, it was like a blessing in disguise for me.
बात तो हमने कर ली आपके डेब्यू प्रोजेक्ट की. मैंने आपकी एक सीरीज देखी थी, आई थिंक लॉकडाउन में देखी थी, उसी के करीबन. इट वाज कॉल्ड आश्चर्यचकित.
Yes, इट्स ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स.
एंड उसमें भर भर के स्टीमी सीन्स थे एंड इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस. मतलब मेरा बहुत टाइम पास हो गया था वो टाइम पे. सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू लाइक हाउ डू यू बैलेंस यू नो doing these kind of scenes and being a normal person, like switch कैसे कर लेते हो आप?
यार as an actor you just have to get into the character. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि as a normal human being and as a character I'm two different people altogether. और उस टाइम पे I still remember while I was doing this movie for Netflix, I was doing another project for Star where I was playing a vampire, and then I was doing another horror movie with Kashmira Shah. Which Krishna was producing. So I was doing 3 projects simultaneously, and I used to divide my time. Like मैंने Samit sir को सुबह का time दिया हुआ था, night का time till 2 o'clock I gave it to my star people, and the whole night I used to shoot for Kashmira for the horror movie क्योंकि उसको night में ही shoot करना था पूरा.
Correct.
So we were shooting in mud, I still remember. And these 3 different projects, 3 different characters, it was very difficult for me to cope up.
Correct.
कि सो भी नहीं रहे हो आप, शूट भी बैक टू बैक कर रहे हो. पर शाहरुख ने या फरहाद खान ने कहा है कि काम को कभी मना नहीं करना.
शाहरुख खान ने सोने के बारे में बोला कि सोना नहीं चाहिए,
जितना काम आए काम जब आए. और आई गेस दैट वाज द पीक सीजन व्हेन आई वाज गेटिंग लाइक बैक टू बैक वर्क एंड आई वाज गेटिंग द मनी आई वांटेड एंड स्टफ. तो मैंने बोला चल यार, लेट्स नॉट से नो टू एनीथिंग, आई विल मैनेज समथिंग. And this character Karan for Netflix, it was one of the most toughest character I can even think of. I still remember when I gave the audition, it was this guy talking about himself, his passion, how much he likes everything, how much he likes Bollywood and all the dark side he has. It's like a 7-minute monologue. And Priyanka Bose was sitting behind. Priyanka is the lead actress who's done a lot of Hollywood projects and stuff. And I finished the audition, and Samit sir liked it, Priyanka liked it, and I was like, I don't know, I'll get the role or not, because there were like so many people giving the audition. And it was one of the main. You've seen the series, so it was one of the main characters. Series, yes. So me and Vaibhav are two main. He is playing my chauffeur, and I'm like the superstar. So Samit sir told me, just don't how you are, just be like that. I want a superstar presence which you already have. So Vaibhav didn't used to talk to me initially, and I got this compliment very late when he told me, जिस दिन तू पहले दिन आया ना शूट पे, उस दिन मैंने सुमित सर को बोला, साला कितना एटीट्यूड है इसका, ये सर क्या सुपरस्टार समझता है अपने आप को. तो समिट टोल्ड हिम कि यही एटीट्यूड था जिसके कारण मुझे ये लड़का चाहिए था. Else they had a lot of options, but the attitude of being a superstar was what they wanted.
Right.
And I guess that came in because of modeling. Because I used to walk the ramp and I had that flamboyance, and because उसके लिए भी हम लोगों ने कोई workshop नहीं करी थी for this character Karan. And getting into this dark side of Karan was difficult for me because it comes from Samit's experiences, and because he wrote the story and he helped me out how he wants to do it, and he's done interviews with people who like watching themselves and how he records himself in the movie and stuff. That is how he gets a high, and he wants his driver to record it and stuff. So it was a very मैंने सर how people do it. मैं छोटे शहर का लड़का, मुझे क्या पता ये सारी चीजें. सच में, बट आपने जिस तरह से एक्टिंग की, ऐसे तो लग नहीं रहा है कि how sir like he was a pro at it. Yeah, thank you. And you'll see whatever I do, when I did Hindutva also, I was playing this Muslim character and stuff. Nobody even for a minute can tell me I'm not Muslim, because मैंने नमाज कैसे अदा करते हैं वो सब मैंने सीखा. I have a friend who's a Muslim, and I called him the first time the minute I signed signed the papers, I called him. I'm like, I'm coming to your office, bro. Just teach me how to namaz कैसे अदा करते हैं. So when I get into a character, I really get into a character. I don't leave any stones unturned. So मेरे साथ वो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है.
But it's good, like you adapt, तो फिर वो दिख के भी आता है ना, like
हाँ.
on screen ऐसे पता भी नहीं चलेगा that he's a guy from, like the person will see, will be like, oh okay.
Yeah, and when you have actors like Priyanka Bose in front of you, who's done such a lot of Hollywood films, she does अभी भी उसका कोई Amazon पे one of the international series on है. Akanksha, she's also a brilliant actress. She's doing Mirzapur and everything. So Vaibhav, he's doing Gullak. अभी उसकी वानी के साथ there is a Netflix YRF movie is coming. Such brilliant actors were there around me, जो सब theater background या Hollywood projects करके आए हुए थे. तो मुझे भी एक motivation मिल रहा था, because I was from a TV background. मैंने एक movie करी थी, मेरी दूसरे TV show चल रहा था. So they all helped me a lot, and Samit sir and Sanjay Mamane, who was the DOP, they all helped me. It was a team effort. Honestly,
Right.
It was a team effort. The comfort they gave me. So only Samit and Sanjay sir used to be there for all the steamy scenes. Nobody else was allowed. So that we as actors are very comfortable.
Have that comfort.
Yeah.
Correct. You know, often मैंने ये देखा है कि villains are more hotter than the lead guy. It always happens.
Yeah.
So in ads, you know, especially बहुत बारी होता है कि आप cast हो जाते हो, but then the actor will be like, नहीं ये बहुत ज़्यादा good looking है, तो मैं replace कर देते हैं. Has that any time being good looking also come as a disadvantage at like losing a project or an ad?
Yeah, I feel ads I've done with Akshay, John, and recently I did it with Varun. So I feel if you are a performer, an ad director takes you just because of your performance. So the recent ad I did with Akshay, I went for my fittings and rehearsal because Akshay just gives them 6 hours for an ad. So they want everything to be proper. So when I met the director, there was a big screen, old school films ka ad tha, and there was a big screen, and he said, the director told me sit. He showed me my audition and he's like, मेरे को यहाँ से जितना तूने आँख भी लाई है ना, मेरे को उतना ही चाहिए बस. जो तूने किया है, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई वांट. तो इससे ज्यादा मत करना. अक्षय कुमार को देख के तू एक्साइटेड हो गया और तूने चीजें चेंज कर दी. डोंट डू दैट. जस्ट बी वेरी काम. सर, आई हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर देम लाइक सिंस आई वाज 20 years old. आई वर्कड फ्रॉम सलमान टू अर्जुन टू जॉन टू विद एवरीबडी आई वर्क. तो मुझे कोई वो हाई नहीं आता कि ओ माय गॉड कोई ऐसे. आई रिस्पेक्ट देम, ऑफ कोर्स आई लव देम एंड स्टफ एज एन एक्टर. दे आर लाइक माय रोल मॉडल्स, बट मैं कभी ऐसे एक्साइटेड नहीं होता. सो जस्ट बीइंग दैट, कीपिंग दैट सटलनेस ऑफ बीइंग वर्किंग विद ऑल दीज पीपल हेल्प्स मी एज एन एक्टर. और ऐसे रिप्लेसमेंट तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कभी ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. इफ यू सी ऑल माई एड्स विद ऑल दीज एक्टर्स, जितना स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस उनका है उतना ही मेरा है. मी एंड अक्षय तो हैड अ प्रॉपर, एक हमने बिग डॉलर का ऐड किया था, उसमें हम दोनों के एकदम एग्जैक्ट सेम डायलॉग्स हैं. वो पूरे डायलॉग्स एज इट इज ऐड में आए. एंड दिस RR Cable ऑल्सो विच आई डिड विद हिम, ऑल द सीन्स वर देयर. ऐसा कुछ भी कहीं भी नहीं हुआ कि उन्होंने कुछ कटवा दिया. तो आई गेस दे आर वेरी सिक्योर एज एन एक्टर एंड दे डोंट इंटरफियर विद व्हाट वी किड्स आर डूइंग. बिकॉज आई थिंक उनको भी कहीं ना कहीं दिखता होगा ना, यार ये भी छोटे शहर से आए हुए लड़के हैं, इनको उनका शेयर मिलना चाहिए. आई डोंट थिंक सो ऐसा कभी होता है.
आपने बोला था कि एक टाइम पे ऐसा था कि आप 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स के बीच में जगल कर रहे थे. तो ऐसा जब स्ट्रेस वाला काम होता है, at least for me, I always, my go-to thing is like junk food. But आपने कैसे fit body भी रखी, खाने को भी फिर there's certain sugar नहीं खा सकते because you have to look a certain way on screen.
Yeah.
How did you balance that? क्योंकि 3 प्रोजेक्ट से ज़्यादा मुझे ये ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल लगता है.
And if you've seen my Netflix वाला film ना, and the Star show I was doing, उसमें भी I was ripped because मेरे mostly bare body shots होते थे वहाँ पे भी, because this vampire good looking, कभी bathtub में है, he's like wet hair, wet body and stuff, so they used to use me like that. तो मेरे को for all these 3 projects I had to maintain my physique. Luckily, when I was signing for all of them, I already told them that this is my schedule and I won't be getting time to go home or make anything. So just make sure I get this meal, this time. And so Kashmira was very sweet, Samit was very sweet, and star people were like amazing. तो वहाँ पे यानी my diet, my tandoori chicken or grilled chicken or fish or protein, everything was taken care of. So I was, and एक टाइम के बाद ना आप टेस्ट के लिए नहीं खाते, आप सिर्फ बॉडी के लिए खाते हो, just to वर्क कि इतना खाना चाहिए कि मेरा काम इतने में हो जाए. That's it. And I don't eat after 7. I don't have a habit of eating after 7. तो I'm sorted like that. तो मेरे लिए वो it's not like junk. तो मैं I don't even get tempted anymore. Wow. Sweet I do. पर उसके लिए मैंने I've got a replacement, monk fruit. तो जो कोई भी चीज़ मेरे घर में भी बन रही होती है, गाजर का हलवा या कुछ, मैं उसको monk fruit में बनवा लेता हूँ. So that is like my new cheat.
Yeah, like you cheat and you not even cheated, so it's that kind of a thing.
And I've never fancied these pizzas and French fries. McDonald's is the place I hate. I don't, यानी अगर मैं रात में भूखा भी होऊंगा, सब कुछ बंद हो चुका होगा तो मैं पानी पी के सो जाऊंगा, but I won't go to McDonald's.
अच्छा, अगर बजट अच्छा हुआ और आपको मैकडोनल्ड्स की ऐड करनी पड़े तो
पैसे के लिए तो खाना एक्टर में मैं बोलूँगा बस ये सब चीज़ें रिप्लेस कर दो और मैं कर दूंगा. एज एन एक्टर तो आपको बहुत कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस करने पड़ते हैं यार. यानी आप लोगों को स्क्रीन में नहीं पता चलता होगा, बट वी एक्टर्स वी डू कॉम्प्रोमाइज अ लॉट एंड नॉन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. But that's how it is.
That's how it is.
I was shooting अभी in Gujarat. I was shooting for a movie और हम ऐसे ऐसे लोकेशन में थे जहाँ वैनिटी नहीं थी. तो there were people just holding cloth and I was changing behind that because I had to change for the next scene. पर अब वी आर शूटिंग इन अ कोल माइन. अब कोल माइन में कहाँ वैनिटी लगाएंगे? दे हैव गॉट अ परमिशन फॉर अ वेरी लिमिटेड टाइम. इट वाज एक्शन सीक्वेंस एंड स्टफ और वो फुल KGF वाला सीख जैसा टाइम था तो लोग नहीं ला पाए. तो एंड आई एम अ पैशनेट एक्टर. आई डोंट गिव अ फक कि आप मेरे को वैनिटी दे रहे हैं. अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है, गुड स्क्रिप्ट, आई विल डू एनीथिंग फॉर इट. सो बिकॉज हम ट्रेन में स्लीपर क्लास में बिना टिकट के चले हुए लोग हैं. हमारे लिए बिजनेस क्लास और वैनिटीज और ये सारी चीज़ें मायने नहीं रखती. गिव अस अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट, गिव अस अ गुड डायरेक्टर एंड आई एम ऑल इन फॉर इट.
आई ऑल्सो फील कि जब आप ये बिजनेस क्लास और ये सब चीज़ों की आदत लगा देते हो ना, देन टू ट्रांजिशन इनटू अ स्मॉल रोल और एन एक्टर वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. ओ माय गॉड धूप हो रही है या लाइक it starts hitting you. So जितना grounded रहता है, it's easy for you to always transition into something luxurious, but coming from a luxurious to a transition to something, I think
because what happens ना, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आप कहीं ना कहीं कोई भी कैरेक्टर आप लेके आते हो, आप अपने रियल सराउंडिंग से ही लेके आते हो. अगर आप मुझसे आज मेरे को बोलोगे किसी ऑटो वाले से भी बात करने के लिए, मैं 1 घंटा खड़े होकर उससे बात कर लूंगा बिकॉज आई कैन रिलेट टू हिम बीइंग फ्रॉम दैट हम्बल बैकग्राउंड. आई कैन टॉक टू मेरी यानी सारे वेरेवर आई गो फॉर शूट स्पॉट दादा से तो मेरी अलग ही दोस्ती रहती है. आई टॉक टू देम, आई जस्ट क्या चल रहा है घर पे, बीवी ठीक है, ये वो हम लोग की अलग बातचीत चल रही है. उनको पता है मुझे कॉफी कैसी चाहिए, कितनी स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए. सो एंड इट जस्ट कम्स नेचुरली. आई डोंट हैव टू मेक एन एफर्ट टू डू एनीथिंग. लाइक माई कास्टिंग फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो जो भी हैं, मैं उनसे फ़ोन करके फालतू चीज़ों पे बात कर सकता हूँ बहुत देर तक. आई वॉज लाइक आई हैव अ फ्रेंड सिटिंग हियर मनप्रीत. हम लोग रैंडम चीज़ों पे वी कैन टॉक फॉर आवर्स. आई वॉज जस्ट आई एम शूटिंग सम रॉकेट रील्स. नई चीज़ आई है, इफ यू गाइज नो रॉकेट रील्स. सो इट विल बी लाइक अ 2 मिनट का एपिसोड एंड इट विल बी 50 मिनट
virtual movie.
vertical movie concept. So I'll start shooting for them next week. May से मेरी shooting है. So I was just recently I did an ad and this girl Nilofer was the casting girl and she just randomly called me, Ankit तेरी payment आ गई and stuff, and we just started discussing this. And when I cut the phone, it was 38 minutes of conversation just talking about what is happening in the market. And we are a 90s kid. हम लोग को इन सब चीज़ों की आदत नहीं है. नहीं है, पर वही तो that is we have to evolve, right?
Yes.
अगर हम लोग नहीं थे वैसे तब we can't get stuck ना कि अब नहीं यार लोग ऐसे बड़ी सीरीज नहीं बना रहे, ये रिकॉर्ड हम नहीं काम करेंगे. अरे हम एक्टर्स हैं, आप कैसे भी काम कराओगे हम कर लेंगे.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही आने वाला था कि यू हैव गॉन टू द जो एक्चुअल प्रिमिटिव एक वे होता है ना कि मॉडलिंग में कैसे जाना, फिर ऑडिशन दे के एक्टिंग, तो आपने वो स्टेप्स किए. बट पिछले 5 साल से जो इंस्टाग्राम टिकटॉक ने जो ओवरनाइट लोगों को फेमस करके स्टारडम दे दिया है, हैज़ द फॉलोअर गेम एवर अफेक्टेड यू फॉर अ प्रोजेक्ट और समथिंग? नहीं यार इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलोअर्स नहीं है तो चल हम इसको ले लेते हैं. कभी वो चीज़ आपको अफेक्ट
हुआ है? There have been projects where people have asked, like, everything is final, they've come up to my budgets and everything is locked, and then like the production wants to see the Instagram profile, आप एक बार भेज दो. अरे सर 100K फॉलोअर्स हैं सर, इन लोग को 1 मिलियन चाहिए. मैं एक्टर हूँ, मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर थोड़ी हूँ यार. आई कांट, मैं वो रील्स वो सब नहीं बना सकता जो इन लोग करते हैं. बट आई एम अ परफॉर्मर, आई एम एन एक्टर. आप मेरे से थिएटर करवा लो, कुछ भी करवा लो, मैं बाकी आई एम नॉट एन इन्फ्लुएंसर. So no sir. But I have seen that transition also happening. I was doing a very big ad with one of the recent जहाँ मनप्रीत बैठा वो वही ad we were talking, and randomly Nelson, my director, was just telling me, bro, how difficult it is to shoot with an influencer. And now directors have started pushing for actors कि do तुम influencer, क्योंकि वो 100 टेक लेके वो 20 सेकंड की रील बनाते हैं. हमें एक्टर चाहिए बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टाइम टू वेट फॉर देम. दे 20-30 टेक्स थोड़ी दे सकते हैं हम लोग, एंड वी एक्टर्स डू इट इन 1 or 2 टेक्स. सो दैट ट्रांजिशन वाज देयर फॉर सम टाइम आई फील, बट देन इट्स फिजलिंग आउट. पीपल वांट गुड एक्टर्स टू वर्क विथ. They don't want.
Because it's like सबके अपना अपना इंडस्ट्री है. I mean, ठीक है, there's a crossover, but it's not like completely taking it out.
देखो मैं उनके काम को भी I don't say it's wrong or anything. They have also worked hard. यानी there are a lot of good content creators also जो अच्छा comedy content बनाते हैं, influencing यानी जो real में influencing करते हैं. But then there are people who जो सिर्फ lip sync करते हैं और सब, जो उनको मैं influencers मानता नहीं. People who come with good concepts and stuff. Like Bhuvan Bam is there. He was an YouTuber. Now he's a hardworking guy. Sameer and all of these guys. अभी उसको controversy में, but even if you see him without गाली गलौज, he has a humor.
I know.
उसका एक humor है. So I feel that सबने अपनी अपनी मेहनत की है, and I just don't relate to these people जो influencers अपने आप को content creator बोलते हैं, सिर्फ lip sync और ये सब, या just revealing bodies and
no, that is just for the follower game.
Yeah. So I don't consider them. And nowadays, and now people have also started realizing, big directors, big producers, they don't want to work with them.
100%.
Because उनको पता है कि वो tickets के वो उनको देखने के लिए कोई पैसा खर्च करके नहीं है, क्योंकि they are so overexposed on Instagram. They don't want to watch them on theaters.
So you also mentioned that you've worked with big stars like Akshay Kumar and others. And you never got like starstruck or anything. But एक होता है ना, एक जब आप एक बॉलीवुड की बात करते हो तो एक आइडल होता है कि यार इसके साथ तो काम करना है या इससे मिलना है. तो ऐसा कोई था?
John. I remember when I was in school, जब मेरे को ये मॉडलिंग का चस्का लगा, my room used to have 3 posters of John Abraham. वो रोड पे मिलते थे ना जब हमारे टाइम, अब पता है अब तो मिलते भी नहीं होंगे, आपके पास भी होंगे.
मेरे पास भी थे, but John के नहीं. हाँ.
यानी my brothers, both we are 3 brothers, both my brothers can definitely say कि ये इसके लिए पागल था John के लिए. So I had like 3 posters of John in my room, and I recently did an ad for Servo with him, and I told him that John is, and he was like, what, really? Then he's a very sweet guy, very sweet guy.
Yes.
And मैंने उसके साथ I've done modeling as well, so I still remember that Fashion Week Rohit Bal's show, and there I was like this last boy to end the show, and this hand comes on me, and I turn and like, hi, John Abraham. I still remember that. I was like a 21-year-old kid.
Correct.
Big fan of John. Dostana आई थी उस time पे.
Oh.
So he was one actor I really wanted to work with, and I worked, luckily. And I posted it on my Instagram, and all my school friends who knew that I was such a big fan, so they were like, they all called me, bro, this is fabulous and stuff. And one actor whom I'm starstruck with, which I have seen in real life, is Salman.
Oh.
I was doing one show for Fashion Week. He was the showstopper, and he entered. The aura he had, people went mad. So that was one. And then later, when the show got over, my friends who was waiting outside, जिनको entry नहीं मिली, बोले जब सलमान की entry हुई, बाहर तक आवाज आ रही थी लोगों की. People had that, वो screens लगे होते ना, वहाँ पे भी people were getting so excited when they can't watch him. He's inside. You are outside the door. You're just watching him on screen. But the aura Salman has is crazy. I was like the last boy. I was standing here. There's another boy, and he walks from between. And he's not that great height and stuff, but the aura he gets, you just want to look at him. He's such a charisma he has. So yeah, Salman and John.
And which actress that you would love to work with, or like have nice romantic songs, or
Tripti. I'm crushing on her since a long time.
Really?
Since Animal, I've been crushing on her. I really like her.
I think your crush has been stagnant. Otherwise, people just crushed on her like for a month, and then they were like, "Oh, it's overdone."
Oh, I made a reel on her as well, and it went on to 6-7 million. Ki people are talking about Bobby Deol, me after watching Tripti. So I have been like, I really like her. I have a huge crush. I make some comedy reels as well with my friends.
But
just for entertainment.
This can actually get viral because इतनी शिद्दत से 2025 में मतलब लोगों ने literally 1 month में they have like crushed and flushed her.
Really?
Like,
No. I still watch everything she's doing. I really like her. And I would love to work with her. I think as an actor also, she's very good. She has that, if you've seen her in Laila Majnu.
Of course, I've seen Laila Majnu.
And then there was this series of her in Netflix. She is very good as an actor.
Yeah, because I have a huge crush on Avinash, so I have seen.
Okay.
I'm like, so how
So we are sailing on the same boat.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. So coming to back to the projects now, what is in the pipeline? Like, where do we get to see Ankit now?
Yeah, so actually we have not touched these very important points where we are right now with Bollywood. Like so many projects are being made but not getting released. So I have 3 projects which are done. Dubbing is done, everything is done, but it's not getting released. Recently, like the recent movie, it's gonna release. They're planning next month. The dubbing is done. That is like my first Gujarati film which I have done.
Gujarati?
Yeah, I've done. I'm not a Gujarati, but this guy was born and brought up in a jungle. And he is this jungle boy who has elephants and tigers and everything. Very interesting concept. It was producer's dream project. So good
कुछ
big
वनतारा
project.
में हो गया था क्या?
No. We're shooting in Gujarat. The whole sequence
Okay.
we've shot in one Navsari and all.
Okay, interesting.
So that is like one new project which will release this year. Then I have 2 more movies which will be coming. But pata nahi kab aane wale hai. The dubbing and everything is done. So maybe you'll see me there. I have like this new project I'll start next week. Fingers crossed, everything if happens, I'll let you know about it.
Yeah,
So
I
when
would
the
love
shoot
to
starts, so
know.
next week this is like Rocket Reel's new project and stuff. Then a few web series and stuff which I'll start shooting for.
Wow, so I'm really looking forward to those. Serious बातें तो बहुत हो गई. We'll just have like a quick rapid fire.
Sure.
Hi, let's do a rapid fire.
Sure.
Ramfork in boxers or romantic scene with hiccups?
Ramp walk in boxers.
One actor you'd love to swap bodies for a day.
John or Hrithik.
A fitness myth you absolutely hate.
That only protein shakes can make your body.
Last DM that made you laugh.
My friends keep DMing me, so I don't know what made me laugh last. Must be some forward reel from my friends.
Acting or modeling?
Acting.
One co-star you had instant chemistry with.
I actually gel around very quickly with people, but Surbhi Jyoti from my first show Kabul Hai, me and her had an instant connection. Like she helped me so much because I was a new actor. So yeah, I think Surbhi.
Something that you feel that you could have undone, or you want to go back and undo something.
Nothing. I think all my decisions I have taken have been very smart and calculative in life.
If not an actor or model, what would Ankit be doing today?
Share trader.
Describe yourself in a hashtag.
Humble.
Okay. Lastly, now that you are here and आपकी इतनी journey रही है from being a model, actor, also working in a call center, मतलब सारा कुछ आपने किया है. Anything that you want to tell the budding actors, people watching this video?
If you are not ready for a rejection, don't think of getting into any of these. Na modeling, na acting, call center में तो वैसे भी कोई tension नहीं है. But this, the way you want to be, if you're leaving your house and stuff and coming to a big city like Delhi or Mumbai, be ready for rejections. दिल टूटेगा, रोना आएगा, घर वालों की याद आएगी, but just stay strong. एक दिन आएगा, अपना time आएगा.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope you had a fun banter.
Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, it was fun. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming.
Hello guys, I'm Ankit Raj. You're watching me at 4 p.m. Bollywood. Please share, subscribe and watch us.